Good morning from Siem Reap, Cambodia. And I'm at Phnom Krom, the Krom Mountain, the mountain down under. I've ridden my bicycle almost to the top. There's a stairway that is very interesting, I like. And so I decided I wanted to walk up to the rest of the way. It's not very far. But do you know what this is? These are pnos. These are places where people are buried. Okay, normally Cambodians will cremate. They will burn the body, but in some situations they put the ashes in these monuments here. And there's one further over that way. You'll see in the background. Okay, so that reminds me of a life plan. What is a life plan? In short, a life plan is what are you going to do with the rest of your life? What do you want to do? What do you want to see happen in the area of your health, of your finances, and of your relationships with your family, relationships with your close friends and loved ones? And so here's the deal. Here's the saying, the proverb, is that if you don't make a plan, you won't achieve your goal. That's just how it is. You will not accidentally stumble into the future that you want. You need a plan. And so that's what I'm helping you with. I'm writing an ebook, and it's called the 5 Pillars of a Life Plan. It is not long. It is not going to be expensive. It's an ebook. It's very practical. You're going to have some worksheets. I'm going to make you think. Get by yourself and think about your future. Here's a key for you. There was a life-changing event in my life. I was studying about how to manage my time. I was taking a time management course many years ago because my job changed. I got promoted. I had a lot more responsibilities and I was losing track of things. And so the very first thing that the time management course did is, okay, list down what you want to achieve, become at the end of your life when you die. I thought, wait a minute. I want a time management. I want to know how to establish my priorities and keep things in order and not always forget. But this is the lesson. So a life plan starts with the end in mind. Everything, whatever. If you're a business, if you're a school, if you're an organization, if you're a church, you always start with the end. What do you want the outcome to be? And then you work back. So that's what I'm going to help you to do. That's what a life plan is. I'm going to help you to be very specific, and I'm going to give you exercises to do and worksheets to fill out. And I'm also going to provide, for those who purchase the book, I'll provide links to other resources, very helpful resources that I've prepared. All right? And so you can be thinking about this. What do you want to be 10 years from now? What do you want to have, become? What do you want your life to be like in the area of health, finances, and relationships 10 years from now, 20 years from now, when you die?